Hello guys, how are you doing? I just wanted to get on here to give you a little tip that could help with if you do ironing at home. If you are a reseller and you do your own ironing at home, most likely you can pick up its magic, or if you have something like this, right? Well, I use this quite a bit, and the hardest part for me was if I got anything that was 100% cotton or 100% linen. It didn't matter how hot the iron was or what I used, there were still wrinkles in there. So as you see behind me, I have a shirt up. With this shirt, I used, it's called ultra size. Now, how I had gotten this ultra size is I went behind the scenes of my own cleaners, had them tour me around and teach me their little tips and tricks on what they used to make their garments look like this. Now, this is a garment that actually, this is my own shirt, so I'm using this for this. So, of course, you wash it and you dry it, and you know it's in the dryer and it comes out wrinkled. Well, you wouldn't know this because it looks like I just got it right off this rack. It's brand new, and then if it had tags in it, because there's nothing on here. Well, if you use this little guy here, what it does is what they explained to me is if there's a shirt over time, whether you take it to a dry cleaners or you wash it, it will lose its size. This stuff right here releases that tightness in a top. So if there is something that you have, and let's say, for instance, like your pants, and we all have this issue, you have, pants that have a 28 waist and all of a sudden they're like squeezing you to death, you don't know what's going on. Well, it's because of the fibers. The fibers are binding and they can track because you keep wash dry. So it's like the clothes is like, come on man, make up your mind, what are you doing here? But using this, and if you iron, it will release the tightness in the fiber. How I found this out, I told you I went behind the scenes to my cleaners. Well, they had this. If I was to have everything they had there, well, I might as well buy another house and just have my whole full business in here. So they had, it looked like a stand-up mannequin, and it looked like it was wearing, like it had a sleeping bag on it. So what they do is they put it's either your linen or really any top that you take to the cleaners, a button-down blouse, a silk blouse, a pullover blouse, a sweater, whatever. They put it on top of this thing. They press something on it, and it steams comes out from the inside out, and it poofs it, and then they spray it with this. So they spray this stuff on there, and whatever it does, and then it was the funniest thing to watch, and then it like poof, it looks like the I don't know, a marshmallow man, you go see, and then poof, and it puffs it out. It really does. And so if you go to my Poshmark page, which I'll have below, and you look at some of the things that I have on there that will have this purple background, and you will see the clothes that I use, it's because I use this. And I strongly believe that you should get it. Now, this can only cost, if you are, well, my cleaners get it and they get it in a big quantity, it costs about $3 a can. Now, other than that, some places, if they sell it individual, you're gonna pay $15 a can for this. But I would really look into this. Again, it is called ultra size, and it will help you if you are at home in a reseller and you have clothing and it's very wrinkled, which I see this on Poshmark, and I will not click on that ad. I mean, I won't click on the listing. I don't want to look any farther, because if you can't take the time to present your items that you're selling, why do you want somebody to buy them, right? So if you're really honest about your business, you want to do the best that you can to have your item look the best that you can. Now, just envision that if this shirt was wrinkly, would you buy it? Would you even look at the other pictures that I might even have available on this shirt? No, because I scroll right by them. I'm not even bother clicking on them. I don't care if it was a high brand name. Please iron your shirts. Please. If you steam your shirts at home, steam them to get the wrinkles out. Send them to the dry cleaners. Don't throw them in your washer and don't wash them and then throw them in the dryer. They'll come out wrinkled. I don't care unless you're gonna. What are you gonna do? Stand there at the door all day and wait for it to go beep and take them out? I mean, that's a lot of hard work. So guys, I hope this will help you. This again is ultra size. I can't tell you of a store to go to. You will have to try to find this on the web because no store that I know of carries this. I actually got this at my dry cleaner because they are professionals and they use this stuff here. So if it is actually bought in a store, hey, it's great. It does say it's by Faultless. Now I remember seeing that name of that company, but I don't think this certain line that they have. But again, Faultless and ultra size is what you need to help you get out these wrinkles because they're working really, really awesome for me. And I just wanted to get on here to give you that tip on if you iron your own stuff at home to present it a lot better online. Please use this and please subscribe to my channel for any more tips and tricks. And I will be back as soon as I can with some more stuff. So click on that button, subscribe to my channel, watch the next video below. You'll never know what you're gonna learn and what Beck's gonna tell you.